Hey guys, piece of cake mom with buttercream stripes that look like fondant. I'm really excited to share this with you. It's really easy to do. It's a form of a transfer. If you want to see other things that I do, please don't forget to subscribe. And let's get right into it. So here I'm showing you, I'm kind of just eyeball measuring how long I want the stripes to be. And that's the bottom part of my cake. So I'm placing that piece of parchment paper on top of another one just so I don't make a big mess. And then I'm going to spread my buttercream frosting as evenly as possible on the parchment paper. Now I want it kind of thick because if buttercream is too thin, it'll snap in half, which isn't the end of the world, it's just kind of a big pain. So I'm not worried about getting it smooth and really pretty because I'm just gonna flatten it. So I put another piece of parchment paper on top and now I'm flattening it with my son's book, Mom Life. Now that it's smooth, I'm going to put it on a hard surface and put it in the freezer. Everyone's freezer's a little bit differently. It took mine about 15-20 minutes to get it the consistency that I wanted. So I'm just taking a straight edge and cutting it. I also like to use my bench scraper for this, but I didn't have that handy, so I just used a knife. Now you want them to break clean, so I'm just kind of going through it and making sure that it's really separate. And then you pop that back in the freezer until it's very stiff and you can pick it up with your hands. Then you're going to just press it right up against some fresh buttercream. It won't stick to a, frozen cake or a refrigerated cake. It has to be room temperature. And then you just kind of smooth it out. And then you're going to kind of press it a little bit and it'll kind of wilt and lay on top of the cake. And then that way you can put your top on. Now if you don't have a top, you can just kind of break it off and then, make it even if you want to. And that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. I hope you like this tutorial and stay tuned for lots and lots more. Please subscribe.